Hi there, this is my demonstration video for CS50Web Project 3 Mail. First, send email. When a user submits the email composition form and JavaScript code to actually send email. Now you can see in the send mailbox, you can see this email. 2. Mailbox. When a user visits their inbox, send mailbox or archive, load the appropriate mailbox. And now we only get sent mailbox. When mailbox is visited, the application should first query the API for the latest emails in the mailbox. Each email should then be rendered in its own box that displays who the email is from, what the subject line is, and the timestamps of the email. If the email is unread, it should appear with a white background, or the email has been read, it should appear in a gray background. Inbox. And when a user clicks an email, the user should be taken to view where they say the content of that email. The application should show the email sender, recipients, subject, timestamp, and body. And an additional dive to index.html for displaying the email. And once the email has been clicked on, should mark the email as read. And now we can see the background color is green now. And we can click this mark as unread, say the background back to white now. 4. Archived or unarchived. Allow user to archive and unarchive emails that have been received. When viewing an inbox email, the user should be presented with a button that lets them archive the email. When and we can click this archive button, and then we can see it appears in archive box, and we can mark it as unarchived, and then it disappeared and back to inbox now. Not applied to emails in the sent box. And once it's archived or unarchived, load the user's inbox. In sent mailbox, we can see there is no archive button here. 5. Reply. Allow users to reply to email. When viewing an email, the user should be presented with a reply button and let them reply to the email. And when the user clicks the reply button, it should be taken to the email composition form. Prefill the composition form with the recipient field set to whoever sent the original email. Prefill the subject line. If the original email had a subject line of like say hi, the new subject line should be say hi. If the subject line already begins with ring, no need to add it again. And prefill the body of the email with a line followed by the original text of the email. Now we can see in the sent mailbox. This is all about my demonstration of this project. Thanks for watching.